Okay, from menu, you finger the arrow, okay? And then you go to sampling, continue. And then option, continue. Gas detector, continue. And then option. Then you proceed with calibrate 0, continue. And then accept, continue. Calibrate via fresh air, confirm. Preparing for 0 calibration.
Arrow means yes, ha?
And then calibrate. So we only have one sensor, only hydrocarbon. No oxygen, no H2S.
Hydrocarbon lang siya.
Only succeeded. Okay, close. Now we will proceed with calibration with span gas. Continue. Okay, confirm. Now 50. Because you are supposed to adjust this one. The what is the figure, the amount? Yeah. So 50, so did you just go connect, preparing for span gas. Otherwise, you are going to adjust as per your button so that it will not fail.
Saksak ako doon, di pa.
Yeah. Okay, calibrate 50 LEL. Okay?
Okay.
It will, yeah. Okay, and then be ready, open, and then you insert that one, huh? There, you will insert there. Show. There. There, yes.
Saksak ko,
Open so that it will not.
Medyo ano.
Okay, you stay there. Open. I will close the door. Calibrate. Oh, disconnect the button. Calibration failed. We repeat again. Okay, continue. Sampling machine, confirm. Connect the gas bottle.
Open.
Yeah. It will take time actually.
Okay. Connected. Open.
Okay, calibrate. Oh,
Isa pa. Matagal siguro.
ha?
Matagal siguro.
Nag-kinis yung kanina sa laundry.
Continue na siya. Yan. Dapat pala nakakonekta una yung battle doon.
Mhm.
Di ba naipasok dito sa store mo?
Kasi nag-analyze yun, di ba?
Tingnan mo muna dito na, ano, ng diet. Wala doon.